This is your Cabo San Lucas deal of the day. I need your help. This is a deal so good that if I hadn't bought so many houses and cars this year, I would actually be buying this, and I still might. That being said, it's still available. $277,000 will get you into this property. This was a early investment pricing. Now, I'm selling these at $350, $360, $400. There's at least $75,000 to $100,000 in equity in this property. It's finished, it's done, it's gorgeous. It's got an infinity pool on the roof. This has one of the best city views in all of Cabo San Lucas. This is right next to Makeout Hill, which is right before you go into the service entrance of Quivira. It's where all the kids kind of hang out and make out and things like that. Why? Because it's gorgeous, it's beautiful there. It's romantic. I actually bought one place here. I wish that I had bought 3, but we'll see. Why did I buy my property? I'm gonna tell you. 2.5 minutes from downtown, up the Pacific side. In 5 years, this house for $277,000 is going to be $750,000. And you can go ahead and mark this in your little calendar, but bet your ass that this thing is gonna triple in 5 years. Now, typically, you double, but this, I believe, is going to triple. Why, BK? Why? Because downtown and central, it's getting pretty crowded. Once you go across the Carretera, it's a mess over there as well. But on the Pacific side, as you're going up Sunset, it is a much nicer travel back to your home. You don't have the Carretera where everybody's getting into wrecks. And they're already starting to build restaurants, commercial areas. I think it's gonna move even faster as they just finished that big commercial spot at the very bottom. In 5 years, this whole thing is going to be nothing but residential and commercial, and it's going to make an awesome Airbnb because you're not downtown in the heavy chaos, but you're 2.5 minutes. So if you wanna be there, you're great. So it makes a great Airbnb or a great first home. It's not too small. It has a amazing gym. The developer's awesome. Was built extremely well. Has an elevator, has underground parking, has a storage facility. Now, all of this is typically quite hard to find in Cabo San Lucas. And the rooftop is amazing. Now, what we're gonna be trying to do on the rooftop, we've already got the gym, we've already got the infinity pool. We're going to be working towards putting a putting green up there, possibly pickleball, but for sure a putting green. Because it's a massive rooftop. Bathrooms up there, showers. Again, we've got the gym with the same view looking over the entire city. It literally might be one of the best city views, especially at this price point, especially 2.5 minutes from downtown. If you guys want to view this, hit me up. Again, that's MLS 25-58. You can also hit up my boy Edgar. He can help you out as well. Or my boy Caesar can also help you out as well. But really anybody on the team. Guys, see you in the next video.